Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges and honored viewers, before I start my speech on this video, I would like to invite you to think with me. We all know in mathematics, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Am I right? But what if I told you that 1 plus 1 could possibly be 11? Well, of course, a question appears in your mind. How stupid am I? Well, wait a moment, guys. Let's see the simple concept in our everyday life. Examples. When we did the same thing in the same way every time we did it, of course, we get the same outcomes. But what if we did the same thing in a different way? What are the odds that will give us a different outcomes? So from this simple concept, we are reminded that math is not just about numbers and formulas. It's a language that shows how our world works. And I'm Azam Aburi, a student of Nur Jadid High School, would like to serve you a speech about this beauty entitled Rediscovering the Hidden Beauty of Mathematics in Our Everyday Lives. Sometimes, in the rush of our daily lives, we forget to slow down and reflect. The endless cycle of tasks, deadlines, and constant notifications can overwhelm us. In the process, we unintentionally overlook the quiet foundations of knowledge that shapes the world around us, particularly the simple yet profound truths of mathematics. When life feels chaotic, we need to take a moment to pause and reconnect with the beauty hidden in everyday things. The rhythmic fall of raindrops, the swirling of sugar in coffee, or the way the wind shapes the trees are all examples of mathematical wonders and principles that we rarely consider. Mathematics is more than just numbers and equations. It's a language that reveals the intricate patterns of the world around us. And in this case, Beauty of Mathematics by Paris-based artists Jan Penel and Nicholas Wilcox remind us of these connections. They capture the essence of mathematics in our everyday life, blending equations, models, and real events. The video seamlessly reconnects the beauty of nature with the elegance of math, showing how the same principles that describe a flag of an airplane also explains the formation of snowflakes or the bounce of a skipping stone. For instance, when we drop sugar into our coffee, there's more than just a swirl. The swirling pattern is the result of fluid dynamics, a field of mathematics that explains how liquids move and interact. A mathematical optimization process meticulously calculates every angle for maximum strength and efficiency, resulting in a graceful yet precise geometry of a spider's web. In the probability theory, a branch of mathematics that governs chance and outcomes even underpins the randomness of a rolling dice. In those fleeting moments, when we stop and pay attention, we realize that math is not just something confined to textbooks or classrooms. It's alive, constantly at work in the world around us. This is the beauty of math. As Bertrand Russell, a philosopher and mathematician, once said, mathematics, rightly viewed, possesses not only truth but a supreme beauty, a beauty cold and austere, with the trappings of paintings and music. This beauty doesn't demand our attentions. It's quiet and subtle, waiting patiently for us to discover it. It is the hidden force that underlies the simple yet complex systems that keep the world in motion. But we often forget this. We get so caught up in the chaos around us that we overlook the quiet order and balanced presence in our environment. However, when we stop and think just like Jan's and Nicholas' videos, so we begin to see that mathematics is everywhere. It's not just an abstract theory. It's the language that shows how our world works, from the patterns in nature to the systems we design. At times, we must pause, inhale deeply, and allow ourselves to reconnect with this beauty. By doing so, we can discover the elegance and harmony that are always present, waiting for us to notice. So mathematics is not just about solving problems, it's about understanding the world in its most fundamental and beautiful form. At last, mathematics is often forgotten amidst the busyness of life. even though it is present in many aspects of our daily activities, from natural patterns to human-made systems. Through work like Beauty of Mathematics by young Pernell and Agnes Wilcox, we are reminded that math is not just something conveyed with textbooks or classrooms, numbers or equations, but it's the language that reveals the beauty, order, and harmony of the world. From the swirling of sugar in coffee to the structures of a spider's web, all reflect fascinating mathematical principles. By taking a moment to pause and observe, we can discover the elegance and deeper meaning of mathematics in our lives. So maybe that's all that I can deliver to you. I'm Azam Aburi, and pardon me if I have much mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.